What is that?
Listen, I'm just gonna take a piece. A pig's eye. That's the eye.
I'm only getting a piece.
It came out of that little hole. That's a pig skull. Got the little top teeth.
What was this again?
Tongue. That's the pig's tongue. But it doesn't taste like anything. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and bite a piece. You ready? What's that?
A piece.
Of what?
The eye.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not eating that soft stuff. That's nasty.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. Alright. I'm gonna try it.
Don't do that, look.
Wow.
Do not.
What was that again?
That's what I was trying to get out right
The
here.
pupil is hard. But it doesn't taste bad.
So if I eat this-
That little top piece,
It's too soft.
tastes like pig. Now for the brain.